Most ugliest cat in the world. Mira. It's sleeping. Mira. Hello. Looks, it looks like a...
Ay, pobrecito, está muy sleepy because he's a baby. But he's gonna come to eat.
Mira, 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 he's stretching.
Because
But don't put it on the sun, baby. The food. Put it somewhere here in the. Somebody bring French fries. Somebody bring French fries. Jesus, God, these people. But give her poquito, but put somewhere in the shadow. Mira, it have also ticks. It's really the edge of life. It's the edge of the life. It's like looks like Batman. Let's call it Batman.
Ay, let's bring it home, pobrecito. Ay, es que...
But don't put baby here all. Hey,
But
sunny.
where I can... I know it's sunny, but...
I think she's not hungry. look the egg.
¿Tienes poquito food? Mira.
Nip, nip. He's eating. He's eating. And you put too much, baby. There's a perito. Mira, mira. Put her face there.
It's Roro, it's good.
Really.
It's Roro.
Oh my God!
I see.
It's sick like hell. He's gonna have figs to eat, baby.
Ay, está muy bonito.
Oh my God, she find it.
Es que estaba muy roro. Stop.
She gonna eat it all.
Sí.
But she have bread and milk and tzatziki
water.
and tzatziki. People bring like salad. Petrovac. Vamos, baby. Other part you can give him when we coming back. Or to the other one. Oh, such a nice weather. Such a nice weather. Ay, pobrecita, she looks like she's electrified. She like touch the electricity. See, and I think it's really abundant. Like it's a street cat.
I know. You know why he's so dirty? Because he doesn't have a mom who is
To clean. I see. See.
You know, the mom is
See.
cleaning.
See, baby, that's true. That's true. What we have here? This is not the main road, because the highway is there, but this is more like the main road. There is the stadion. And we're gonna be soon in the beach. Of course, every city needs to have at least one abandoned hotel. That's a traditional abandoned hotel.
But it is like millions.
I see, but every village have at least one. Or every town, or how you call it. Bueno.